Thank you for calling Decker's Pondscapes. So your landscaper cut your pump cord. Okay? So you need a service call.
Today is Tech Tip Tuesday. All right, so today we got a call because a landscaper had a little mishap at one of our customers' ponds.
Happens.
What are you gonna do? Anyway, we are gonna do a quick fix. Andrew and I are here, we'll show you. Not highly recommended if you're not an electrician or comfortable. Call a certified electrician, better yet, replace your pump, and we all know where to get one of those.
Oh yeah, right here.
All right, so Andrew is getting out what we're gonna need out of the service van. Just a few tools, not too many. It's gonna be a pretty simple fix. All right, so one of the things that we're gonna need is this is a heat gun because we got some shrink tubing that we're gonna use to temporarily fix this. Then we got a pair of dikes, which will cut the wire. We got a pair of crimpers and then a pair of wire strippers. So really these are the essential things that we're gonna need to fix this pump cord. But most importantly, always unplug it first.
Most important.
Unless you want a little tingle. So this is a culprit right here. Let me show you. And what happened is that is a shovel tree spade, one of those things that just kind of cut right through it. So the pump is not working. Like we said, we recommend get a new pump, but right now the customer would like just a quick fix until we can get back here and take care of this problem permanently. All right, so we already found the problem spot. So what I'm going to do is take a pair of these dikes and cut this. Now, obviously, like we said, I already unplugged that. Otherwise, I would know it by now. So one of the things I'm going to do is take my wire strippers and I'm just going to gently go around this insulation part so I can strip this black part off. Give it a little twist back and forth. Now I got my wires exposed on this side. And I'm going to come back over here, give that a little bit of a clean cut. Whoa, that got fried. So looks like they really hit that one, huh? I wonder what the landscaper's hair looks like. So it's most important to get like a clean area to kind of bug your connectors back onto these wires. And those of you that know a little bit of something about power, you generally have 3 wires in a cord like this. You're going to have your ground, your neutral, and a hot wire, better known as black, white, and green. Green is always ground, white is neutral, black is hot. See the 3 different ones? So basically what we're going to do is take one of these connectors. Now you can get these at any auto parts store, and like I said, this is like an after hours bush fix just so you can get your pond up and running. Right now it is August and it's been super hot. We don't want our fin friends to be out there without any oxygen flowing into that pond. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these back a little bit, bare the wire, give it a little twist on both sides. Got that. And then we're going to get one more in here. Oh, not far enough. Let's give it another little more love there. So basically what I'm going to do, I got these all twisted up. Now I'm going to get this shrink connector on. This is going to be a good thing for everybody to see. Good quick fix. We're going to put another one in there. You can get both sides stripped and ready if you want. I prefer to do things as I go so I don't forget. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my bigger shrink tubes here and see if I have a big enough one. And I do. I can slide over all these. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this, strip this side, a good twist on that. This just happened and it's already starting to get a corrosion. That'll show you how much humidity we have in the air right now. Then what you're going to do is just go back, green to green. Alright, we're going to go in there. As you can tell, I'm right-handed and I'm trying to work with my left, so it's not a great thing right there. Alright, so get that one on there. got that one. I'm gonna get this one. I'm doing these little videos so people, if they get caught on a Sunday and they can't get somebody out to their house, that they could at least figure this out, right? So now we got black to black, white to white, green to green, right? So now, I'm gonna take my extension cord, plug that in, and this is why they call it heat shrinking. And look at that. So now we got all this heat shrinking tube on there. Now this piece obviously going to be a little bit big for the other sides, but my biggest concern is right in where my connection was. So what I'm going to do is start right in there and let that get worked right around that. Now this will give you enough of a watertight seal to get by. That even if we got some rain tonight, it is not going to kick your breaker. But make sure that you're on a GFI outlet anyway. For any pond or water feature, it should be, which you can get a certified electrician to do. But for now, Andrew and I have got you back in business. So there's your watertight seal in there. This, I'm going to hit this with a little bit more heat, but that's a quick fix. So anytime you need any service work, you can give Deckers a call or watch for our Tech Tip Tuesday, because we'll have more like this.